excited for this to come. It's here, it's built, construction is finally done. Hey guys, welcome back to Worm TV for another episode where we are at a brand new location here in Carrolton, Texas, right off Hebron Parkway. We are at Trinity Fork Park, and I have been waiting for this for a very, very long time. This is probably a project that the Trinity Coalition has been doing along with the city of Carrolton for a year and a half, and they have just now finished it not too long ago, and we've got it all to ourselves. Let's go check it out. Let's take a walk. All right guys, so here we are. It is finally done. Man, this has been a long time coming. I'm so excited. I am so excited about this. Can you tell? Can you tell that I'm excited? All right, let's check this out. We'll walk around this dock. This is gonna be the spot in the summertime. In the summertime. And not just to say, man, it was just ice and snow. I think we got to a -1 here in DFW. Freaking nuts, everything was frozen. Yeah, check this out, guys. Man, that is so cool. You know, I give a lot of props to the Trinity Coalition group for putting this together and cleaning up our rivers and our creeks. And I hope a lot more of this starts to happen. I mean, this is great. We just don't have a whole lot in DFW set up for kayakers like Austin does. Austin has amazing spots to kayak in, but DFW just doesn't have it. And this is really the first one in DFW. You have some spots in Fort Worth that are really nice, but this is the first one, and this is gonna be great once it's all finished up. But Trinity Coalition Group, man, awesome job. So here we go right here. It's the easy launch for canoes and kayaks. Accessible transfer system. Gives you the directions, everything you need to do. All right, guys, well, let's see if we can get the compass down here on the dolly. And man, dude, let's get in the water. Let's go catch some fish. I'm excited. There's a few things you need to look at online before you head out and kayak. You need to get on their website, and you need to make sure that the CFFs that they're releasing are safe. And you want to make sure the water level is safe. And you can do that on their website, and right now it's showing that it is at a medium range of discharging CFFs. So we are safe to drop in down there. You don't want to get in there if you got a lot of current and you can't get back up creek. It could be dangerous. So you guys just always check your safety stuff before you head out. You know, you don't want anything bad happening. So check that out. And you want to check your fish consumption. So if you're planning on catching fish out here and taking it home, you always want to make sure that the fish is safe to eat. You can go on, let's see, I got it right here, the river fishing in Dallas Fort Worth. Search that. It's on tpwd.texas.gov. So you can find all that information there. So yeah, we definitely don't want anybody getting ill, taking fish home and getting the family sick. No, 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 don't want to do that. So you guys check that out before heading out here. Otherwise than that, man, just be safe on the water, wear your life jacket, because I haven't done that a couple times, need to do that. So guys, that's a few things I just want to tell you about before you head out here and drop the kayak in the water. Just make sure the CFFs are not running crazy. Make sure there's not a lot of current. And fish consumption, if you're gonna catch fish and take it home to eat, you want to make sure that you know, it's safe to take from here before you take it home and cook it. Don't want to get anybody ill. All right, guys, let's get down to the water. Let's drop this kayak in. Let's see what kind of fish we can get on.
I know the brink's coming.
All right, here we go. Woo, we are free, baby. We are free. We did it. We have launched from the kayak launch pad. Now I'm heading backwards. Dude, it's February 20th, 2021. Man, it's hot. Last week, we're in, what, teens? Ice, snow, all that craziness. Can't do this. It's too hot. It's just too dang hot, man. I gotta strip down. God dang, you guys are everywhere. I don't even want to fish over here. You gotta take all my fish. I guess we're doing the walkie shame today. We got no fish, zero fish. So yeah, it was nice out though today. Man, beautiful. It was like 66, 67. We're having last week being snow and ice. It was pretty nuts, but a lot of good people are down here. Met a few people today, so that's cool. And I will have a continuation of this creek when the spawn kicks up and we start catching fish. Because right now it's just too low, and I don't know, the fish are lethargic, I guess from the freeze and the rain. But hey man, it is what it is.
That wasn't too bad. Y'all thanks for checking out the channel. See you on the other side.